Good morning. Today we'll talk about kinematics, and in kinematics we will talk about motion in a plane. Okay. And when I say motion in a plane, first thing is we will be talking about distance and displacement. What is distance, Amma? See, distance is a scalar quantity, whereas when it comes to displacement, it is a vector quantity. And this distance, it can't decrease with time. And distance is often referred to as your total path or total path length, and it is always positive. Okay. And when it comes to displacement is vector, and it is always straight line from initial to final point, and it can decrease with time. Also, it can be either positive or negative. And please note down that distance is always greater than or equal to displacement. Okay, that is in brief about distance and displacement. Next thing, average speed. What is average speed? Average speed is total distance by total time. And if I have to talk about average speed, I mean V average will always be less than or equal to average speed. Average velocity will always be less than or equal to average speed. So what is average velocity? So average velocity is total displacement by total time. Okay, right. Now in average speed, you have two types of questions now. Number one, they will ask you about n equal time intervals. So in n equal time intervals, the average speed will be S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus so on up to Sn by n. Suppose if they give only two equal time intervals, then the average speed would be n1 plus n2 by 2. Another model for average speed will be n equal distance interval. N equal distance interval. So over here, average speed you will write as n by 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus 1 by v3 like that so on up to 1 by vn. So if they say two equal distances are there, then the average speed would be 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2, you are simplifying and you are getting 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Over here, if you want, you can, just make a change over here. Sorry. Write it as S1 plus S2 by 2. Right. Take down one question. Which of the following is correct for body moving in a straight line? Options are distance equals to modulus of displacement, average speed equals to modulus of average velocity, both A and B, average speed is greater than or equal to modulus of average velocity. Kindly observe, sir, they are talking about a body moving in a straight line. Okay, then what will be the answer? Average speed would be greater than or equal to modulus of average of velocity. If they tell moving in a straight line without change in direction, then this would be the answers. Okay, clear? Next question. A bus traveling the first one-third distance at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour, the next one-third at 20 kilometers per hour, and last one-third at 60 kilometers per hour. The average speed of the bus is. Can you tell, sir? So first of all, what are they doing, sir? They are giving you some speeds and they are telling that over a path there are three, equal distances. So this is s by 3, this is s by 3, and this is s by 3. 1 by third of the distance, 1 by third of the distance, and 1 by third of the distance. First one third of the distance you are traveling with 10 kilometers per hour, then with 20 kilometers per hour, then with 60 kilometers per hour. Correct, sir? What is the formula? Average speed formula. Just now I told n by 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus 1 by v3. Number of intervals are 3, so n value is 3. So I will just substitute and find the answer. What will I get the answer, sir? 3 by taking LCM 6 plus 3 plus 1. So 3 into 60 by 10. I will get 18 kilometers per hour. Clear? 1991, Nana. Neat. Next question. அடுத்த question போலாமா?
Yes, sir.
Noted, can I remove? No problem, I'll share the class, no issues. You can later note also. A car runs at a constant speed on a circular track of radius 100 meters, taking 62.8 seconds for every circular lap. The average velocity and average speed for each circular lap is dash. Sir, first of all, I'll give you the options, sir. Options 10 meters per second, 0, 0, 0, 0, 10 meters per second, 10 meters per second, 10 meters per second. Can you tell, sir? Circular lap. Anyone? What is displacement here if he is running in a circular track?
Zero, sir.
Then this is your answer. Right. This question was asked in Neet 2006, sir. Next. I'll talk about acceleration. Acceleration A is equals to V by T. Instant acceleration is equals to dV by dt. That is nothing but V into dV by dx. That will give me d square x by dt square. Average acceleration is equals to delta V by delta T. That is nothing but final velocity minus initial velocity by time interval, delta T. Okay. Okay. Another thing, sir, there is something called retardation. Generally, what they tell is negative acceleration is called retardation. That is wrong, sir. Don't use that statement. Acceleration which is opposite, that you will call as retardation. Opposite to velocity, motion. Okay. Simply, it is that the speed will be slow. Okay. If, for example, acceleration and velocity both in same direction, speed will be more. Acceleration is in reverse way to velocity, so speed will be less. This you will refer to as retardation. Both are again in same direction, minus v and minus a. Then speed will be greater. If v is in one direction and acceleration is another, then speed will reduce. This you will refer to as retardation. Am I clear, sir, in this regard? Important, sir. Next, let us say a is equals to 0. or A is equals to constant and A is equals to a variable. If they tell acceleration is 0, it is uniform motion, sir. V is constant. S is equals to Vt. If A is constant, it is equation of motion. Okay, if it is a variable, then it is differentiation or integration. Please remember. If I am talking about displacement, S is equals to integral V dt. This is nothing but area of V by T. If I say Vf minus Vi, it is integral of A dt. That is area of A by T. Now let us say there are three things. One is displacement. That is S. Another one is velocity V. And you have another one called acceleration A. Now, what is velocity, sir? What is velocity, sir? Velocity and rate of change of what? Sir, are you there, both of you?
Yes, sir.
What is velocity?
Rate of change of displacement, sir.
Very good. ds by dt. That means slope of s by t will give you velocity. What is acceleration? Acceleration is dv by dt, or I can simply say v into dv by dx. So the slope of v by t would give you acceleration. Right? Next, take down one question, sir. If the velocity of a particle is v is equals to at plus bt square, where a and b are constants, then distance traveled by it between 1 second and 2 second is dash. Sir, very clearly they have given one equation, sir. V is equals to at plus bt square. So this thing is nothing but integral of displacement. So integral from 1 to 2 for at plus bt square dt. Displacement would be equal to a into t square by 2 from 1 to 2 plus b into t cube by 3 from 1 to 2. So if you observe here, this I can write as a into 2 square is 4, 4 by 2 is 2, minus, okay, 1 second, t square is 4 2 square by 2 minus 1 square by 2. So that would be 4 minus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2, plus b into 2 cube 2 cube by 3 minus 1 cube by 3, that is 8 minus 1 by 3, that is 7 by 3. So answer would be 3 by 2a plus 7 by 3b. Options given also I will just write down so that you feel comfortable. 3 by 2a plus 7 by 3b, which is of course our answer. A by 2 plus b by 3. 3 by 2a plus 4b. 3a plus 7b. This is the answer, sir. This is Neet 2016. Next question. Motion of a particle is given by equation S is equals to 3t cube plus 7t square plus 14t plus 8 meters. Find the value of acceleration of a particle at t is equals to 1 second. Is dash. First of all, we have S. What is S, sir? V is equals to ds. Acceleration is equals to ds by dt. So I want to find acceleration at t equals to 1. Correct, sir? 2000 IIT questions. D square S by dt square, sir. Sorry, acceleration. So first of all, I will do ds, differentiating once. What will I get, sir, if I differentiate this thing? ds, சொல்ல முடியுமா அம்மா? 3 into 3t square, I'll give you the options. 10, 32, 23, and 16 meters per second square. All of them. So 3 into 3t square plus 7 into 2t plus 14. So that will be 9t square plus 14t plus 14 ds. If I do d square s, what will I get? 18t plus 14. 18t plus 14, t value is 1. So 18 into 1 plus 14, that will be 32. This is my answer, sir. 32 meters per second square. Clear? Ma? Can I move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Next one. The position x of a particle varies with time t as x is equals to at square plus bt cube. Take it as minus. X is equals to at square minus bt cube. The acceleration will be 0 at time t. equal to dash. Options are a by 3b, 0, 2a by 3b, a by b. 1997 IIT. First of all, x is equals to at square minus bt cube. So differentiating with this, I will get velocity, that is 2at minus 3bt square. Again differentiating this, I will get acceleration, that is 2a minus 6bt. Right? Now the point is, if acceleration is equals to 0, what will be the time? The acceleration is 0. So 2a minus 6bt. So 2a will be equal to 6bt. T will be equal to 2a by 6b. That is a by 3b. This is the answer, sir. Okay. Right. Suppose if I give you a question like this. V is equals to 2x square. Find acceleration. Can you tell what will be the acceleration? Amma? What formula you will use for acceleration? Don't use dv by dt. That is wrong. You must use v into dv by dx. What is v? 2x square. What is dv by dx? 4x. What will be your answer? 8x cube. Important point. Okay. Next one. Next question. The position x of a particle with respect to time t along the x-axis is given by x is equals to 9t square minus t cube, where x is in meters and time t is in seconds. What will be the position of this particle when it achieves maximum speed along x direction? 2007 IIT. Right? What is x? X is equals to 9t square minus t cube. They are asking us to find position. So what will happen? Speed will be maximum. That is what they have given. Right? So what I will do, we will do dv by dt. If I do dv by dt, what am I getting? Eighteen t minus 3t square. Again I will differentiate. I will get 18 minus 6t. That means let us take this thing to be 0. Then 18 is equals to 6t. T is equals to 3. Now at x at t equals to 3. So 9 into 3 square minus 3 cube. So I will get 81 minus 27. That will be equal to what, sir? 54 meters. Our options are 54, 81, 24 and 32. 54 meters. That will be my answer. Okay. Done. We'll stop
Yes, sir.
here.